Hey friend, can I share something real with you? A few years ago, my life got turned upside down by a health scare. One day I thought I was unstoppable, the rock of my family, the guy who could push through anything, and the next, I realized just how fragile life really is. That moment shook me. Suddenly, the future I had pictured, retirement, time with my wife, making memories with my kids and grandkids, it all felt like it could slip away. And then the numbers hit me like a second punch. We were short on retirement, way short. And I thought, what happens if I can't keep grinding until I'm 70? What if my health won't let me? Maybe you've had that same thought too. Now, before I go further, I want to be upfront. The version of me you're watching right now is an AI clone of myself. Because of that health scare, I've been left with some speech challenges. Instead of letting that stop me, I decided to use AI to help me keep telling my story. My words are real, my experiences are real. This is just the tool that lets me keep showing up. And honestly, that's part of the lesson I've learned. Don't quit just because life gives you a hurdle. Find another way. Here's the thing. I didn't grow up in the digital world. I'm not one of those tech guys. My brain honestly felt like dial-up internet trying to keep up in a high-speed world. And maybe you feel the same way. You watch videos, you see younger people making money online, and you think, that ship has sailed, I'm too old, I missed my chance. That's exactly how I felt. But one day I asked myself, if they can figure it out, why can't I? And that tiny question started to shift everything. I didn't start with a grand plan. I just started small. I looked into learning about digital marketing. Learning and earning was appealing to me. Then I looked at some tools out there, tools that honestly do the heavy lifting for you. At first I was overwhelmed. But you know what? I realized I didn't need to master everything in a day. I just needed to take one step. So I learned how to make a simple video. Then I learned how to edit by just typing out words instead of fumbling with complicated software. And little by little, I started seeing something I hadn't seen in a long time. Progress. Let me ask you something. What would you do if you had a little more time freedom in your life? Would you travel, spend more time with your grandkids, finally slow down and breathe? And here's another question. What's really stopping you? Is it fear, feeling behind, feeling like you're not techie enough? I get it. I've been there. But I promise you, the barrier isn't as big as you think. When I realized that AI could bridge the gap for me, not replace me, but help me. It gave me a sense of hope. Instead of saying I can't do this because of my health or my age or my lack of skills, I started saying I can do this with the right tools. And friend, that's when things really started to change. I wasn't chasing hype or get-rich-quick schemes. I was simply learning how to earn in a way that fit my life. From home, at my own pace, without the stress of starting from scratch. I know what it feels like to be stuck, to be short on retirement, to feel like your best years are behind you, but I also know the power of taking just one step forward. That's why I followed something called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's not a magic pill, it's just the same simple steps I took to go from stuck and scared to slowly building flexible income at home. It's free and it's my way of giving back, because if I can help even one more person believe it's not too late, it's worth it. So if you're curious, the link is below. Take a look, not for me, for you, because your next chapter is waiting. And it starts with a single step. Listen, your setback doesn't define you. It might just be the setup for your comeback. And if a midlife dad and grandpa like me can figure this out, I believe with all my heart that you can too. So here's to more freedom, more time, and more moments that matter. Take that first step today.